When, as a parent, you take your children to an exhibition or an expo in a college or school, you want them to have a great time. But what kind of fun you want them to have? Should they just meet up with their friends and play along separately, sitting in a corner of a park? Or should they have a plan to make the most out of the day? Here is what I'm going to do. You got to tell them very, very clearly. They should go around every presentation, every exhibition, and they should try to think in their mind that how would they do it differently if it was their product or if it was their presentation. They should get involved. They should soak in as much as possible. If they've got a big dream, if they've got a big vision, they got to make the most out of the day. There are different ways to have fun, but this is the best way that they can use their day. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.